having fun doing all these things. In the past few months has been really busy, but busy is really good for me. As a Capricorn, I'm really a workaholic. So I'm really grateful and I feel blessed. Every single day I feel I send gratification to God. Every single day I wake up and that's the first thing I do. I thank Him. So yeah, today is another day. And yeah, I just really want to make the most of it.
Alright, sige. Dahil speaking of kumusta, kinumusta kita, ayan. Isa sa mga naging projects ni RC the past days, no? Yung kumusta, yung fusion niya sa Korea. So how was it, RC?
I'm just really grateful sa pagtanggap po ng mga tao sa Kamusta. And well, we shot it last year of October in Korea. I saw MJ there. It was such an amazing experience. And I had fun doing all these things in the kitchen, having a restaurant. That's really my dream. Though I have a yakiniku restaurant, Yoshimitsu. It's in Green Hills. But really, I love to cook. The kitchen is my happy place. And syempre, makasama ko pa yung mga special na tao there in a special country, in my special place. So, yeah, it's just really unforgettable. And we already created a bond. So, like Ate Jody, sila Oppa, sila Ji Chang-wook, we still keep in touch. Every now and then, we say, we make kamusta sa isa't isa. Though I know Oppa is a really, really, really busy man. And I was just there in Korea last week. And it was his birthday, but I also celebrated another friend's birthday there. So yun, I appreciate every time he responds kasi nga, nahiya nga ako sometimes. I think, oo nga naman, baka naman, hindi ako masyadong naging considerate because I know he's really busy. But yeah, the reception of the people, I really love because they keep tagging me, especially with that one scene na hinampas ka sa ulo si Chef JP.
Yun.
May lamok kasi, may lamok talaga yun guys sa pag-zinom niya yun.
Nakita naman siya.
Nakita ba?
Oo.
Kasi sabi ng ate ko wala daw. Sabi ko may lamok nga. Sabi ko,
May grills kasi noon na naka-zoom. So may
oo.
lumipad.
Hindi rin siya makakalipad kasi malagkit na yung ulo ni Chef. Kasi nga, syempre, buong araw na kami nasa kusina, nagluluto, di ba?
Yeah.
So yun, I'm so grateful with the reception of the people, not only here in the Philippines, but it's like across Asia. So everybody's tagging me now. I have like followers probably somewhere in Thailand. So yun, it's because of the lamok. I should thank the lamok.
So palakpakan natin ang lamok.
Salamat sa lamok and syempre sa pagiging cool and chill nila Chef JP.
Yes. Tsaka yung situation ay parang nag-emote-emote pa si
Oo, diba? Yan, nag-emote si
si
Janela. Tapos nasira ako, di ba? Parang pagdating ko dun kasi, in my head, this is really what I want to do in life. Na parang I'm just gonna enjoy it. Imagine, I wake up every single day and I'm in Korea and then doing the thing that I love most, cooking. Parang sa akin, I cherish every single day na nandun ako. And ayun, pinagluto ko silang kimchi gang. Kasi talagang ginagawa ko talaga yun in the house. So yun, very, very unforgettable experience. So,
Yes.
abangan nyo na lang kung may season 2. Sabi ni Ate Lynn. Ate Lynn,
Still
season 2 daw.
Still available on View?
Yes,
Kahit
available
pwede pa
on
rin
View.
naman mapanood.
So for those of you who was not able to catch it on TV5, it's still on View.
Ayan, syempre, from that reality show, tatalo naman tayo ngayon sa hosting. O diba? Strike Anywhere talaga itong ating RC Munoz. Ang hosting naman niya sa Singing Lodi with Empoy. So ayan, kamusta? Ayan, yung lumalabas dyan sa ating screen
Oo
ngayon.
nga, hindi ko nga...
Kamusta naman ikaw dito sa proyektong ito?
Hindi ko pa nga nakikita. Actually, nung in-offer nila to sa akin, I was like one of the judges when they asked me to do it. Sabi ko, huy, baka mabash ako, hindi ako singer. Sabi ko, rock song yung mga ko, di ba? Yung mga pondo ko. Sabi ko talaga, gusto ko mag-host. So if they're still willing to get me sa show, mas gusto ko i-try naman yung hosting and had so much fun doing it. Siyempre kasama ko si Empoy, di ba? So, we went to Jensan, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao to eh.
So nationwide siya.
It's nationwide. And sakto, ito rin yung Singing Lodi, siya rin ang pumalit sa Kumusta, but still with
Okay.
with TV5. So, yun, tuloy-tuloy talaga. Hindi ko nga alam eh. Kaya
tama.
please help us also not to spread the word that it's already on TV5. Ayan, 11 a.m. Yan, so yun.
Ayan.
Kaya lagi ko kasama si Empoy, baka kasi nagtataka kayo na baka nagde-date kami. Hindi kami nagde-date. Lagi ko lang siya kasama talaga yung mga project namin talaga together right now. So, we have so many plans, including movies with Cornerstone. Yan, so, ayun, singing contest naman, hosting, something different, but I
Yes.
really did enjoy.
Tama. Kasi ang grabe yung tawid, di
Hindi,
ba?
may kasama rin kasi siyang traveling eh. So,
Yes, oo.
we discover new idols, new singers, and I'm with the best people as well. I'm so grateful and I'm so blessed na ang mga kasama ko talaga sa trabaho ko ay magbabait, talagang mga professional. Ako lang ata yung baliw.
Yes, and you get to enjoy, of course, di ba, while doing the job.
So much. That's why I feel so blessed. Alam mo, this past few months, kahit na sobrang siguro 4 na oras lang yung tulog ko ng isang buwan na. And I mean, every day, parang sabi ko, halama, totoo ata yun kapag tumatanda ka, umiiksi yung tulog mo. Sabi ko, kasi may explanation daw dun eh. Parang because you feel that, madagdag yung age, parang naramdaman mo daw na short na lang daw yung time mo sa earth. Kaya parang, talaga nag-explain din kasi wala sinasabi ng mom ko yun na parang, kaya daw gusto mo talagang, kumbaga, make the most of your time. I-maximize, oo. So yun, kaya sabi ko, hapon kasi kausap ko si Austin, mag-voice message lang ako kasi hindi ko na mabuksan yung mata ko kasi nga nasa Sigabo ako kagabi. Nagte-taping kami, MWF, TTHS may business din. Tapos, TTHS kami ni Empoy sa Singing Lodi. Sabi ko,
Tama.
4 na oras, 3 oras, everyday, ganun. So, nasanay na lang din. Lalo na nasa Europe ako, hindi talaga ako natutulog.
Tama naman.
Kasi jet lag, hindi.
Oo,
Tas
diba?
work eh. Siyempre, different countries. Tapos mag-show kami ni Piolo. So, from Ireland, nung nag-Dublin show kami for the Filipino community there, siyempre, we were just still adjusting. So, wala talagang sleep. And then, tumawid ako ng Spain kasi I just got my Spanish passport. So, I just really want to visit, di ba? Kung saan yung place ng dad ko.
Diba?
And then, I went there. Sabi ko, sayang kasi I had to spend 1 day in Madrid, 1 in Barcelona, and then go back to Madrid to watch BTS. So, siyempre, mag-isa lang ako. Girls, mahilig ako mag-solo travel eh. So, ginawa ko, nag-book ako ng mga yung sa mga, travel, sa club, ganyan.
Yeah.
4
Yung mga
trips.
online.
Oo, 4 na tour sa isang araw. Ay, pagod na pagod ako. May isang time pa doon na parang may binook ako na, yacht cruise sa Barcelona. After nun, sabi ko, ay, libre yung cava, yung parang champagne. Ay, maaga pa. Kasi 9 p.m. doon maliwanag pa. Naghanap ako ng isa pang tour. Ang pwede na lang na tour ng mga 10 p.m. sa Barcelona, yung bar hop. Pagdating ko kasama ko mga high school. Sabi ko, bakit ba ako nandito? Oh my gosh talaga. Pero sobrang ako na-enjoy. Alam mo to, nag-trend kami. Ang dami namin, siguro more than 30 mga high school. Sabi ko, yung mga kasama ko, yung mga bata, mga 19 years old. Sabi ko, I'm 19 too. I'm 19. Utak
So, na-adapt mo.
Tapos nag-train kami. Alam mo, hindi kami jump daw kami doon sa Hay, hindi mo tayo magbabayad. Wait lang. Naku, baka mabalita to. Sabi ko, nanood ako nagbayad ng train sa Barcelona. Gosh, so yun nga.
So, hindi nila na-realize na na artista ka dito sa Pilipinas.
Oo, nga eh.
Diba? Anyway,
Saya.
diba?
Ang daldal ko.
Ay, okay lang yan. It's a good problem anyway. Alam mo, naniniwala naman ako doon sa It Comes with Age. Pero mas naniniwala ako na marami ka lang talagang ginagawa. At ayan, tumawid na nga, di ba? Narinig niyo naman, tumawid pa from Europe, no? Out of that very busy schedule, nabigyan pa ng time with Papa P, di ba?
Yeah,
Nakapag-show pa kayo doon. At
Dami.
ayan nga, speaking of your tapings, syempre tatawid tayo sa kanyang acting skills naman sa Sigabo. Ayan, yung nakikita natin siya. So ano naman ang kwento mo dito, RC?
Ito first time ko maging police and syempre paulit-ulit man ako but I'm really grateful na nabigyan na talaga ako ng opportunity to work with Direk Coco and Julia, of course. She's like my sister. And every day, pag kunwari may taping kami, like ko message si Austin, my handler, I'm like, "Be, I really enjoyed shooting again. So I miss this so much." My last show, I was also an agent but not a police woman.
Yeah.
I was an agent. Pero that was during the pandemic. Ako, oh my gosh, ganun na ba katagal yun? Sabi ko, pandemic pa yun. Kami yung unang-unang nag-lock-in eh. Yung walang hanggang paalam. So yun, eto na ulit yun after so many years. Kasi naging busy rin kami, nagtutour, and then I launched my streaming platform. I did it with Direk Niel de Mesa. So meron kaming streaming platform, NDM Plus. So it's like Netflix. 5 years namin yung ginawa. So akala nila, nagta-travel lang ako. Pero nagtatrabaho ako kasi we launched production companies in Japan, in Taipei, and in Singapore. So we have offices there. 5 years kami, content, shoot. And then, one of my dreams talaga is to really have a travel show. So yun, ngayon we have like a couple of countries in Asia that is presented na andun na po, part of the content of ndmplus.com. So now I really want to focus my time with Sigabo. So we shoot MWF. So wala, ang dami lang nangyayari talaga this past few years, and I'm excited to be back on TV. And yun din, ang ganda ng reception din ng tao. I'm Max Jacinto there, that's my character. And sister ako ni Julia. And in real life, I really feel so comfortable being with her. I feel like she's really my little sister. And even Direk Coco, they're all very nice people. Everybody on set. That's why I always look forward. Every MWF, I look forward na going to the set, and I really miss acting. Kaya nga medyo minsan kapag artista ka kasi pag nami-miss ko yung umarte, inaartehan ko yung sarili ko sa salamin. Oo nga, kasi pa-practice pa rin ako kasi ang daming emotion sa loob ko na kailangan ko talagang ilabas. I guess it's part of being an artist.
Nag-workshop ka alone, parang gano'n.
Oo, totoo nga. Tapos kunwari, may mapapanood ako ng magandang pelikula. Tapos, sasabayan ko yung pag-arte. Pumipick up talaga ako kasi nga sabi ko, gusto ko magkaroon ng ganyang role. And this is one of the roles that I really wanna do, and I'm grateful na na-consider talaga ako nila Direk Coco. So, yeah, it feels like family when I'm on set. Tita Carmi has always been my mom in all of my roles. So yeah, so far so good. I'm having a blast.
Diba?
Yeah.
Napakadami nakahain at ihahain pa sa atin ni RC because not only that, diba? Nag-host, nag-travel, nag-acting, tapos meron ka pang business on the side, ang Bloomy.
Yes. Oh yeah, that one we're gonna be launching this month. But it's already available sa mga e-commerce. We have it on Shopee, so you can I always post it, and I always post links where you can get it. It's like a skincare routine, which I have also been, kumbaga ginagawa ko na siya for this past few years kasi kailangan ko i-develop yung kung what's gonna work for me. Kasi before I had a breakout. So yun, and this is like my final product na talaga nag-work for me, and I really hope that it will work sa mga ladies and the girls na also has been having trouble with their skin. So yun.
Yes, grabe si RC, di ba? At syempre, ayan, bukod doon, in music naman, meron ka ding hinahanda.
Oh yes.
Para sa aming lahat, tama?
Yan, ayoko. And also with my band, since I've been with them for 18 years, and it's about time that we probably launch another song. So we'll be releasing a song, a single this month as well, or this August for the tattoo convention. I don't know if you're familiar, but yeah, it's a tribal ink. It's like the Dudutan before, and we're always present whenever may ganong events. And yun, 18 years with my band, and yes, please watch out for
so this year, basta this year
this
yan,
year.
no?
And this August I'm really aiming, but we're on the mixing we did recording already, so we're with the mixing now. And then yeah, I want to make time for my voice kasi parang sabi ko, naiiwan ako ata yung rockstar dreams ko.
Mm.
Sabi ko, and I'm all of this. Sabi ko, kaya, di ba, life is short. And always people say na you only live once. I don't believe that eh. Parang for me, you only die once, but you live every single day. So, parang sabi ko, I'm gonna do what I love most.
Maximize.
Yeah, and lagi naman akong ganun eh. I do what I love and I love what I do. You know, that's what keeps me still here. Kaya dito pa rin lahat ginagawa. Dahil pa rin
Diba?
ginagawa. Oo.
Grabe. Palakpakan naman natin si RC
Wow.
sa lahat ng mga pinresent niya sa atin.